Actuator serial Tu-22M-045 received.
Confirmed. Logging into inventory system now.
The cylinder wall thickness is compromised. It's a definite process B.
Understood. Moving the cylinder to the scrap bin.
This is the critical transition phase, where flight-critical components are confirmed ready for the precision machining bay.
The exact torque value is confirmed and logged, ensuring structural integrity and preventing accidental disassembly.
Soakley. The massive Tupolev Tu-22M wing actuator is moved to the charging station. Ultra-clean hydraulic fluid.
In the Process A zone, the gleaming 3-meter backfire wing actuator is lifted by the robotics system, ready to undergo rigorous simulation and validation. The spectral data looks good. We're well within the acceptable tolerances.
Confirmed. Structural harmony achieved.
The sealing head rapidly heat seals the anti-static film around the Tupolev Tu-22M Backfire actuator.
Securely archived in this cold, dry facility, the primary product is off the line. Focus now shifts entirely to secondary manufacturing, Process B. The raw material for Process B, the secondary product, is now staged and ready for high-temperature refinement. The molten titanium, recycled from the Tu-22M's actuators, undergoes rapid solidification as controlled cooling. Once sufficiently cooled, the robotic manipulator lifts the graphite mold away from the titanium alloy ingot, sourced from the Tu-22M Backfire.
Bring it left, slowly.
Not slot, right low.
That's good. Set it down right there.
The standardized, dull gray metallic blocks begin their journey, symbolizing the conclusion of all manufacturing.
From scrap to remanufacturer, the logistics of moving specialized aerospace materials rely on a secure and efficient network. The heavy block is now mixing with other raw materials, beginning its final journey to be formed into a new, complex aerospace structure.
The journey is complete. The recycled titanium from the Tu-22M actuator is
Derived from the process B ingot, this component shows the successful transformation and high-value end use of the recycled alloy.
Stress analysis confirmed. The component performs within parameters. The FPB alloy is ready for flight applications.
The aircraft performs a smooth, powerful ascent, emphasizing the recycled component's role in the overall structural performance and safety of the vehicle.
Running the scan now. Monitor the waveforms.
Readings are stable across the board. Component integrity confirmed.
At flow index, the material exceeded our performance expectations. We are highly satisfied with the quality and the sustainable.
Recycled alloy from the legendary Tu-22M Backfire. The laser-etched codes confirm its origin and purity.
The enduring legacy of high-grade materials, transformed through a comprehensive industrial pipeline, ensures the strength and reliability of the final product.